Hey, how's it going, everyone? Just wanted to make a little update of my laptop desktop wall mount. So the charger came in, we got it hooked up, it's on, it's working great. Doing some updates. That is a Intel Core i3 350 and 4 gigs of RAM. We're going to be adding a 500 gig SSD and probably like 8 gigs of RAM and maybe 16. Yeah, I didn't, for Wi-Fi I'm just using a TP-Link dongle, and yep, we're hooked up HDMI, keyboard and mouse. I'm gonna fix all these wires up nice and clean, but yep, that used to be my old Asus laptop. Now it's on the wall working. Alright, thank you for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.